guys. Come on in. I really was loving the first house because we had the view of the marina, but I'm really loving this one as well. So come on and let me give you a look around. Started off in the entrance. This is our kitchen. I'm loving the kitchen. So I'm definitely going to be cooking up in here. We have a full-size refrigerator. So that's going to be great. Ta-da! We have lots of clothes to get washed. So I'm very excited that this one has a washer and dryer. So I'm going to be doing some laundry probably tomorrow. But come on over here
to my room.
So this is one of 2 bathrooms. This is going to be the girls' bathroom.
Yay.
And this does have the tub and shower. And it has some extra shelves here for linen. Very nice. I love the white with the silver door handles. Then we have our second bedroom here. So this is Tatiana's bedroom. And we have the ceiling fan here. A nice queen size bed. Our dressers here. Another TV. And then a nice little window here with a view of the water fountain. So this is the first bedroom.
Which is my bedroom?
This is one of 3 bedrooms. Then we have another bedroom here.
Which is Bobby's bedroom?
Another queen size with another nice view of the waterfront, of the water fountain. Probably some alligators out there. And it looks like they're still building up.
I'm sleeping.
So this is bedroom 2 of 3. We have the walk-in closet over here.
Bobby has a TV too.
Very nice.
Mommy, I already looked in there.
You already looked in there?
And there's another TV.
Another TV on the wall here. Now let's go to my bedroom. As we walk through here to the master bedroom, we have the living room / dining area. And then we have a nice open view of the kitchen. So great for entertaining. I'll probably be entertaining here as well. But I love the table set up here with the living room. Now let's head into the master bedroom. Coming to my bedroom. This is my bedroom. I love the nice little artwork they have on the wall. A nice little lamp here on the nightstand. Queen size bed. And then I have my dresser here. Another TV. And I really love the master bedroom. I mean the master bathroom. So I have a deep, I'm gonna be taking a bubble bath here tonight. I have a nice deep spa tub here. Love the tiles on the wall. Then we have the stand-up shower with the glass door. Love that as well. I have a bathroom here. Nice size bathroom. Very nice as well. And then this is my closet. I have my walk-in closet here. A nice beautiful mirror here. And that's pretty much it. So I love this mirror. His and her sinks. Then we have like cabinets here. I am really, really loving this tub. I'm definitely gonna be taking a bubble bath here tonight. So this is what our spot is looking like. House tour number 2. Let me know which one y'all like most. First one or the second one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one you like. I think they are unique. Both of them have their own cons and pros. The first one we really loved because it had that marina view and it was so convenient. It was literally just a couple of minutes to walk to the beach. So we love that. But I am loving this one as well. So let me know what you guys think. Gonna be definitely doing some day in the lives here, hanging out. We got some exploring to do, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little house tour. So kitchen, living room. We're gonna be doing some laundry over there today, or probably tomorrow. We're gonna be doing some laundry over there tomorrow. But I'm loving all the little artwork they got on the walls. And then out here we have an amazing view. We have a screened in balcony with a nice waterfront view. And it's hot out here, you guys. So let's get back inside. coffee maker, which I will probably just be using for tea. Microwave here. Let me see. Fully stocked with the dishes. We got the bowls and everything down here. This is ready for me to hook it up. Cutting boards, ready to get cooking. Fully equipped kitchen, ready for me to get cooking, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do, because even when we are traveling, I prefer to make my own food because I want to know what is going in it. So yeah, that is it for this tour, you guys. So now that you have seen the inside of our crib, I'm gonna be taking you around and giving you a tour of the outside. So there is a water park here, and there is lots of things to show you around. So stay tuned for that.